Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Barrel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get CARES Act Small Business Grant of $50,000 step by step. And right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $35,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember, in this video we are going to tell you each and everything with complete explanation, and we will also take you on a tour of its application, that how you can fill it, as well as we are also going to tell you the perks, the upsides and the downsides of this grant. And you already know that grant means free money. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So finally, after a lot of requests, messages and comments, right here in front of you, it's an opportunity for Texas. Yes, Texans. Right here you have an opportunity for the city of El Paso. Yes, and with this one you can get up to $50,000 in grant money, and you only have to follow some few simple steps. And you already know that grant means free money, means you will not have to pay a single penny back. So now let's see what you need to do and where you need to click and what you need to read in order to get this grant. So first, you will have to open this website right here. I'm going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can go there and click on it and this page will open. As soon as you see this, all you need to do, you need to click right here on financial assistance. So let's do it. 3, 2, 1, right here. So you can see it says small business grants. Yes, it's a CARES Act program where you can get small business grant for your business, and there are some limitations and eligibility criteria which I'm going to take you on a tour of it step by step. So without wasting any time, let's do it. But let's see some of the overviews that what is this all about. So with the non-profit organization listed below, I will show you in a bit, of City of El Paso, Texas, is utilizing funding provided from CARES Act to provide financial assistance in the form of grants of small businesses and non-profits organization impacted by the pandemic. Yes, it is just not for for-profit business, it is also for non-profits, and it's an amazing opportunity for pretty much 99% businesses of El Paso, Texas. So let's scroll down and see how much you can get and what are the eligibility criteria. The first thing, they have actually 3 phases: phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. So if you are an independent contractor or sole proprietor, means like you are the only employee in your company, then you can get up to $25,000, and you only need to complete some few very minimal steps, right? The next one is known as Project Vida, and right here, if you have from 1 to 4 employees, like somewhere between 1 to 4, then you can get up to $25,000 in this one as well. But you have to demonstrate that your business suffered a loss of at least 15% because of the pandemic. So it is just not the qualification requirement for Project Vida, but it's also for the first one of People Fund. And now let's go towards the third one, that is Lift Fund. So Lift Fund is actually small businesses which has the full-time employees between 5 to 30. So yes, if you have full-time employees from 5 to 30, then you can get up to $50,000. Isn't it crazy right here? Yes, and it's a grant again, and the alternate word for grant is free money. You won't have to give a single penny back to anyone. So yes, and this qualification requirement for this program is the same, that you must demonstrate a 15% loss because of the pandemic. So yes, and remember, it is since March 2020, so I'm pretty sure almost 99.9, not 99.9, but 100% of the businesses, especially in US, are affected with this pandemic, and I know that you have suffered that loss. So without wasting any time, let's get into it and see what are the other eligibility criteria and how you can fulfill them. So let's click on learn more. 3, 2, 1. So right here, as you can see, they said the City of El Paso Small Business Recovery Grant Program, they've updated on October 16, 2020, and the application deadline is rolling until funds are exhausted. So remember, they don't have any deadline, but you can think of it like this, that the deadline is the next minute. Yes, because the people will be applying for this crazy, because the Texans were really thirsty when it comes for grants, because there is not a lot of things for Texans. But I am coming up with some more things, so please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon, because I am coming with more grants for Texans as well. So yes, right here, what do you need to do? There are some things I already told you, but there are some business qualification requirements, and I'm going to tell you each and everything step by step. So the first one is your annual gross revenue shouldn't be more than $3 million. So yes, if your gross revenue in a year is more than $3 million, then you are not a small business, so that's why you are not qualified for this grant. The second one is limited to business that are located and will remain in City of El Paso. Yes, if your business is located in the City of El Paso, that's the second requirement, and then you can take this grant, and that's the second qualification requirement. The third one is demonstrate a loss of 15%. I'm not gonna get into that, I already told you about, but to summarize, that you have to show them your profit and loss statement that you have suffered a loss of at least 15% because of the pandemic. So yes, that's the third one. It's a quite simple one. You can show them, and if you cannot provide them your profit and loss statement, then you can also give them your business bank statement, and they will analyze it and issue you the grant money. Now the fourth one is business established prior to August 1st 19 must be registered as an LLC or for profit corporation. So yes, this is something internal to you, so you will have to see the perks of your business and the aspects of your business, if your business lies in it or not. And the fifth one is business employees at a time of application 5 to 30 full-time equivalent employees. So yes, if your business have 5 to 30, like somewhere between 5 to 30 employees, then you can get this grant and you can apply it with the peace of mind. The second last one, that following business types are not eligible. So the first one is gambling, gaming, national franchises, adult establishment, payday loans or auto loans. Of course, I hate the payday loans, so of course they shouldn't include that. Don't get angry and don't go against this channel if you are a payday loan owner, but believe me, the payday loans are the worst in this entire world. And of course the auto loan stores. So yes, these are the things you cannot get this grant if your business falls in any of these categories. Now the last one is it should be locally owned and the national franchises are allowed. So yes, you can do that. So for independent contractors and sole proprietors without employees, please apply here. So yeah, I already told you that there are two other separate applications for independent contractors and sole proprietors. So just go back and see there and click on it, and the application will actually look the same what I'm going to show you, so don't worry about it. So right here for this program, the grant awards are up to $50,000. The grant documentation verification known as business entity formation document, 2020 bank statement, payroll documentation, IRS 941 of the second quarter of 2020, business tax return, valid identification number like your ID or passport and stuff, and the proof of business location. These are the general requirements or general documents that you need, and everyone has it. If you have a business, then I believe it's a peanut in this entire world, so you can actually eat it without even opening your eyes. So yes, this is what about it, and now I'm going to take you to the application, that how it looks like, and the application to apply is right here. So you need to scroll down and click on apply, so I'm going to do that. As soon as you do that, it's gonna ask you to log in or register. I'm gonna click right here on begin application. As soon as I do that, right, they will ask you to register, so you can actually click on register here, or you put your email address or a password. As soon as you create your account right here by registering, they will send you a link of the form, and then you will open it, you will fill it out, attach your documents, right? It's a general form, your first name, last name, your business organization name and stuff. So you can do that, and as soon as you do that, they will come back to you in next 48 to 72 hours. But remember, when it comes to the mobile number, I always tell each and everyone to give your own personal cell phone number as your business number, so in order for them to contact you, the call will directly come to you. So if you have any questions regarding this, please let me know in the comment below, and remember that right after this video I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $35,000 personal loan with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And please like this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm, it helps the channel, and it helps the channel grow, and it also shows that you guys support us. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.